Okay, all right. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching me from. Thank you for joining my channel today. Okay, so today just going to do a very interesting stuff like that. So just going to be teaching you a particular lineup of makossa, just very simple lineup that I just came up with a few days ago, and I want to share with you. So I'm going to do it on Key C. So also we're going to do it on Key F. So I'm going to do your C and F, two keys together. Let's run our sulfur notes for C. On F, very simple like that, something like that. Okay, but basically you need to know your chords, and then look for a way that you can be able to back up your chords and your notes together. So we're just going to be making use of just three simple chords, three triads, which is your 1, your 4, and your 5. If you go to F, your 1, your 4, and your 5. So let me start with Key C first. So I'm just going to do da da bi da di da di da. So that's all you're doing. So chord 1, C, G, 1, chord 4, F, A, C, 4, chord 5. So that's just the chord you're going to be using throughout this whole exercise. So again, okay, let me just give you the groove. So we're going to have something like this. So I did my first movement. I started with this one. This is just an inversion. So if you invert this guy, you have C, E, G, you have E, G, A, then the last one. So you started with this one, with your 1 here, C, E, G, then. So I do something like this. So it's just like a walk down from E, C, G, okay, with your chord 1, E, C, G, then you go back again. So let me just do this hand so that, then we start again. So this then the second chord is, if you invert this chord, you have B, you have D, then you have your G. Then that is your 5. So this is actually chord 5, but inverted. 1. So don't forget you are making use of these three chords. So I started with the last inversion of your C. Don't forget. Then to your 5. Okay. Then you work it out again. So this guy and this guy, they're the same thing. It's just inversion. They are being played in a different position. So again, I'm just going to add my beat to it to make it more lively. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so let's go to Key F. Key F, right? So we'll start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the same thing, we're going to replicate the same thing that we did on C, just we're moving to another different key, which is F. So we start. So we're going to start with your inversion. Don't worry, don't forget, the first thing you're going to do is to invert this guy. So if you have something like this, so I inverted this guy. So this is the first position. Sorry, the root position, second inversion, and the last inversion. Root position, first inversion, okay, and the last inversion. So we're going to start. So I go, you start, you walk it down. So this is your next chord, which is your F. So your F, so this chord and this note and your chord goes together. So we have something like this. The first one. So if you invert it, you have something like this. But this is what I'm playing. So I have. So on F scale, the only black key, sorry, is your B flat. Is this one. So yeah. Oh. So the only black key is just this guy. So your 4 has only the black key, which is your B flat. So we're going to go again. I'm going to add my beats. Okay, so that's just, so don't forget, very, very important. So we did it on key C and we did it on key F. So I'm just going to run everything one more time. I'm going to move to key F, the same thing. Okay, so just what I have for you today. So I feel that I can just add it to some of the things that you know how to play on makossa before. So you can just add this to your list. Thank you so very much for joining me. God bless you.